Are you guys getting my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are some of the topics that we will discuss today. Hope we discussed introduction to the project and project management. Why we need Primavera and why this Primavera physics is prominent in the industry. Yes, sir. Today we will go for the session that is activity duration and predecessors. Everyone getting my screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes. Okay. Because now onwards, each and every aspect is very interactive, so that each and every candidate is requested to switch on their video modes. No exception in this, whatever it may be that it is, guys. I don't mind. Okay. Shall we
Yes, sir.
start? Okay. See, here we are having some of the concepts, some of the topics, that is activity, duration, and predecessor, right? All of you getting those words?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you know? What do you know by activity? Prajwal, you can do it later.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to change the background?
Sir?
Do you know how to change the virtual background in Zoom?
No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
I'll let you know. No problem. At the end of the session. Okay. You
Okay,
can
sir.
sit.
Okay.
You can sit in Goa beach also. I'll show you.
Okay, sir.
See, now we are discussing about this activity, duration, and predecessors. Okay. See, before entering exactly into this site activity, we can go for a small thing. Okay. Everyone eat omelette, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jamie, okay. What are the things that you need to do if you want to prepare an omelette?
we need an egg, sir.
Okay, fine.
Onions, green
Okay.
chilies.
Okay.
And
Gas. Fuel.
Okay. Right. Tawa on the gas.
Yes.
Tawa on the gas stove. Okay. What are the activities that you need to do for this? You are telling about the resources.
yes, sir.
What you told us, right? Those are the resources. You need to prepare an omelette. Okay. Egg omelette. What are the activities that you need to do for that?
Switch on the gas stove.
Okay. From starting. Before switching on the gas stove, as Prithvi, I think Prithvi told you want egg for the omelette, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prithvi, what you need to do to get the egg? You need to go for the market or supermarket and you need to buy one tray of egg, right? Whose dog is barking over there? Okay, fine. You need to buy the eggs from the supermarket. This is one activity. Okay, we started the project by buying the tray of eggs. Next, where are this giggle of girls? Two girls are sitting. Mom, I'm asking about cooking. Sumashni and Shobita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what do you need to do for that? What is the next activity? We bought eggs from the market. Pritesh?
Sir, we should mix.
Yes, yes, tell me.
We should mix it and we should put in the pan.
Okay, before that, we need to cut onions, tomatoes, chili,
We
right?
need salt, sir.
Okay, we need oil also.
Salt and pepper.
Okay. After arranging all these resources, this is one activity. We are just switching on the stove. This is one activity, and we are just placing this tawa on the stove. We need to place oil, and we need to place the mixture, blended mixture on the tawa, and the omelette will be prepared. These are the set of activities to prepare just an omelette, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
For preparing a simple omelette, we are having so many activities. In turn, we need to construct an house. How many activities will be there? Do you have any idea?
Many, sir.
Many. many number of activities for the construction of a house. As a civil engineer, we are speaking. If you are a mechanical engineer, there are many number of activities in case of commissioning of an equipment or structure. Coming to, as we are discussing only about the civil aspects, here see we have three beautiful words, that is activity, duration, and predecessors. Because these three concepts are very important for entering into Primavera software. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it? You know,
Yes, sir.
now we came to know about what is activity. Then what is called duration?
Time taken to finish the activity.
Yes. Got it? The
Time
time
span.
taken to finish the specific activity.
Okay.
Then what about predecessor? You are seeing a word called predecessor over here. All of you saying this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Previous activity.
Yes, sir. Okay. What is called predecessor? I got an answer from me. I don't know who told that
What all
answer.
work we have done to finish the activities?
This is the
Previous
previous
work.
activity of the current activity. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it or not? See, you're having a word called SOP and EOP here. What is this SOP?
Standard operating procedure.
It's the start of the project. Okay. It's a start of project. What is EOP then?
End of project.
End of project.
Got it, right? For every project that we handle from right now, there will be start of project and end of project. Okay. After
Yes,
the
sir.
start
Okay,
of
sir.
project, see here we are considering some of the activities. Some of the activities at site until the erection of this foundation from cleaning of the site. Consider we have a 30-40 site nearby. We start the project with the cleaning. Apart from this design and planning, we will start cleaning of the site. Then we will go for marking. Then we will go for excavation. After that, we need to go for PCC and the structures, beams, and all. For this, we will get foundation. It's an activity that I have mentioned for this example. Okay. This is an project, a small project that we are having. The start of the project, end of the project. Between these two, we are having 4 activities here. Got it? All of you getting my words?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are having 4 activities. In this, all are in a sequence. That is, SOP is the predecessor of cleaning, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
SOP is the predecessor of cleaning.
Cleaning.
SOP is the predecessor of cleaning. Next, cleaning is the predecessor of,
Market.
okay.
Marking.
Marking.
Then marking is the predecessor of,
Excavation.
Operation.
obviously. Then excavation is predecessor of
Foundation.
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 Dash.
Excavation is the successor of,
End
Marking.
of project.
yes. Because we will be having 2 terms here, that is predecessor as well as successor. But we won't use the word successor in this Primavera. We only concentrate on the previous activity because we will handle the any activity. We will handle. We are about to do an activity after completion of the previous activity, right? Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it or not? This is a simple
Yes.
example that I have took here. See, now you got it. What is activity? What is duration? And what is predecessor?
Yes, sir.
You got the
Yes,
rough
sir.
idea, right? Then we'll go for the next slide. How many of you know this critical path method?
Pardon, sir.
Critical path method?
We don't know, sir.
Don't know. Have you read this operation research? Operation research ಓದಿದ್ದೀರೇನಪ್ಪ? इतना subject ನಿಮಗೆ operation research
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
not research then, okay. What is this critical path method? I'll let you know. Any rough answers, any vague answers by saying this word critical path method? Leave this method. What is critical path? Do you have any rough idea regarding this? Critical path. What do you mean by critical?
Emergency.
Pardon me? Emergency.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Any other answer? What is this critical path?
Or longest path.
Great answer from Murgesh. Murgesh ji, that's the right
Sir.
answer because the critical path is the longest path of a project. Longest path. We will be not having any float over here. Float in the means slack, flexibility. See, I have taken the same example what we have discussed earlier: cleaning, marking, excavation, and foundation are the 4 activities. See here. Here you are having 4 activities, right? ಇದೆಯಾ 4 activities ಇದೆಯಾ 4 cleaning, marking, excavation and foundation. Hello,
Yes, sir.
you are having 4 activities, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, then see here, according to that example, according to the scenario, cleaning, the duration for cleaning is 3 days, right?
Yes, sir.
Duration for marking is 4 days, right?
Yes, sir.
Duration of excavation is 5 days and duration of foundation is 3 days. It's a rough example. This is not the exact one, but with what we do in the site. It's an example to go here. See now, here everyone is having a pencil or pen with a piece of paper.
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
No.
no. Please get it. I'll give you 1 minute time. I want you guys with the pen and book each and every session. Without these things, how can you? Everyone?
Yes.
All of you got it? Okay, right. Now, here we have some terminologies, that is ES, LS, EF, LF, D, and F. Okay. In this slide, I have mentioned this also. What is ES? That is early start. What is EF? Early finish, late start, date finish, duration, and float. Please note these formulas in your paper now. All of you, can you do that?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Make a note of it. In the top right corner or top left corner of your sheet. Early start is previous early finish plus 1 day. Early finish, same early start plus duration minus 1. Late start, same late finish minus duration plus 1. Late finish is equals to previous late start minus 1. Everyone noted it? Muhammad Zaid, DP Vikas, please switch on your video modes. Otherwise, I'll just mark absent in this internship program for today's day. I'll not worry about that.
Just now got up, sir.
What were you doing in the last night? Were you practicing Primavera? Hmm?
Sir?
This sake only I am organizing this Primavera session at 10:30. It's ample. You are getting ample of time. Get up, fresh air, having food. Okay. All of you note it down. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, now you note these things. This table, activity, duration, and predecessor table. In one of the corner of your page. In one corner, I want those formulas. Only this table. I don't want this sequence. SOP, duration 0, no predecessor. Cleaning, 3 days duration. SOP, the predecessor. Marking, 4 days. Cleaning. Sumashri and Shobita, are you audible for my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you two girls can switch off your video, but your speaker must be on. No need to worry. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, it's
Okay.
very comfortable for you guys. Okay. Otherwise,
Thank
no excuse for you guys. When I ask you questions and when I want to discuss, you just switch on your video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Everyone got this table on your sheet? Everyone got it?
Yes,
Shall I start?
sir.
Okay, okay. See now, here we are having the first entity, that is early start. Early start. Early start is nothing but previous early finish. That is, we'll be considering this SOP. The previous early start, early finish, late start, late finish of all the entities of this SOP as 0. Getting my words?
Sir.
Early start, early finish, late start, late finish of SOP, start of the project, is 0. Now we are into the activity cleaning. How to calculate early start, previous early finish? What is the early finish of SOP?
Cleaning.
What's the early finish of SOP?
0.
0, right? 0 plus 1 goes to
1.
1. Exactly. That is, early start of cleaning is 1 day. First day. First day of the project begins with cleaning. Right? Got it?
Yes,
If you get any queries, if you get any questions, you can repeatedly ask me. No need to worry. Guys, I am here to explain you all the things regarding this project management. No need to worry about these questions and all. You can repeatedly ask the questions. Okay? Okay, fine.
Sir.
Okay, then early finish of the same task, cleaning. What's the formula for early finish? Same early start, that is early start of the same activity. What is the early start of cleaning?
0.
1, right?
1. 1.
1 plus what's the duration of cleaning?
3,
3. That is
3,
1 plus 3 is equal to
4,
4.
4,
Minus 1 comes to 3. That is early finish of cleaning goes to 3 days. Third day of the project. Got it? Artha aita?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Got it, right? Next we will go to marking. What is the early finish, previous finish of cleaning? That is, now we are in marking activity. We need to go for early finish of previous activity. What is the day? Third day, right?
Yes, sir.
We can't start the marking on the third day itself because cleaning activity is ending up on the third day. Is it or not? Cleaning activity is ending on the third day. We need to start marking on the next day. That is 3 plus 1. That is 4th day. Got it?
Okay.
Artha aita?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Next, we need to calculate early finish of the marking activity. What's the early finish? Same early start. Early start of the marking activity. Early start, that is start day of the marking activity is 4th day, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 4 plus 4, that is duration of marking is 4 days. 4 days, right? 4 plus
Yes, sir.
4, that is 8
8,
minus 1, that is 7.
7.
On the 7th day, we are completing with marking. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Artha agtidiya? How? Because we are having 4 days for marking activity. That is 4th day, 5th day, 6th day, and 7th day. That is on the 7th day we are completing the marking activity. Got it? Artha aita? Okay. Next we are moving to excavation part. What is the early finish of the previous activity?
7,
7,
Yes. Then what will be the early start of the excavation? 7
8.
plus 1, 8. Then what will be the early finish of excavation? 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13,
minus 1,
Minus 1.
minus 1, that is 12th day. We are completing the excavation part on the 12th day of the sequence. Is it or not?
Yes.
Then we are going to the final task, that is foundation. What is the early finish? Early start of the foundation?
12,
Yes,
12.
12 plus 1.
One.
That is
1.
13.
13. Okay, it's a simple mathematics. We are not having any formulas over here. It's a simple mathematics. Okay. Then what is the early finish of the activity foundation? What's the early finish?
13 plus 1, 14.
13.
13 plus
13
3.
plus 3 minus 1.
Yes, 13 plus duration. What is the
Plus
duration? 3 days. That is 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. 16 minus 1 is equal to
Plus 1.
15.
15.
Got it? What does this 15 indicates? You're having 15 over here in the foundation task. What does this 15 indicates?
End of
Yes,
Number of days.
that is the final day of the project. 15th day is the final day of the project. 15 days is the total duration of this project. Got it? Got it?
Sir, yes, sir.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
This sequence, what we have performed now is called forward pass. We are starting from start of the project to the end of the project in a regular sequence. That is called, this process is called forward pass. You just make a note of it. Forward pass. Okay. Now we have completed one cycle. We need to go for the reverse cycle now because we need to calculate this late finish and late start, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, in the final task, we need to copy the same values of early start and early finish in the late start and late finish of the project. These are the thumb rules. Got it? What is the early finish of the final task? That is foundation. Early finish
15.
15, right? The same value we are copying in the late finish box. That is 15. I have copied, right?
Yes,
Sir.
15. Okay. Then what is the early start of final task? Foundation
13.
13. Yes, I have copied the same thing here. Right? We have completed late start and late finish of the final task. Got it?
Sir. Sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
See now. Now we need to calculate the late finish of the excavation. What is the formula for late finish?
Previous
Previous.
late start minus 1.
Okay. Then what will be this one?
13 minus 1, 12.
13 minus
1.
1 is equal to
12.
12. We got 12 over here. Then what's the late start?
8.
8.
How?
12 minus
12 minus 5. 12 minus duration.
plus 1.
Yes, we got 8 here. Then we are coming to marking activity. What is the late finish?
8. 8 minus
8 minus 1.
8 minus 1, right? That is 7.
7.
Okay. Next.
4 minus 3. 4 minus 1.
7. 7 minus
4
4
plus 1.
plus 1, right? That is 4.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
getting right?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you want me to repeat?
No, sir.
Okay. Then what is the late finish of the first task? That is cleaning.
3 minus 1, 2.
3 minus.
1.
What is the late
4
finish?
minus
4
minus 1.
minus
sir.
1.
What is the late finish?
4 minus
4 minus
1.
1 is equal to 3. Then what is the late start?
3 plus 3. Sorry, 3.
3 minus 3.
3 minus 3
0
plus 1.
plus 1.
0.
1.
Everyone comfortable with this cycle?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone understood this, right? This is a
Yes.
simple task because see, now we have a rhombus, last rhombus, that is F, that is called as float. What is this float? This is the slack of an activity. That is flexibility in the activity. Now see, this float can be calculated early finish minus late finish. What is early finish and late finish of the foundation task, last task?
0.
Right. 15 minus 15 is
0.
0.
0.
13 minus 13 is 0.
0.
Okay. Now see, keep this thumb rule. Both early finish minus late finished, early start and late start of any activity must be same. That is, float must be same of both the things. That is, EF and LF, EF minus LF must be same. EF minus
and
LF must be equal to ES minus
LS.
LS. Got it? See,
sir.
12 minus 12, 0.
0.
8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Coming to cleaning activity, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is 0.
0.
See, that means we don't have any flexibility in this project. That is, slack is 0.
0.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, here we have the pictorial representation of the tasks that we have discussed till now, right? Everyone getting the slide?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Start of the project. We have excavation part, that is cleaning
Cleaning.
part over here, cleaning with just JCBs, dozers and all. Then we have marking on the site.
Marking
Next, excavation. Final is for foundation. This is the simple project that we have discussed in the earlier example. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Artha aita?
Yes, sir.
Can we go for the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, here we have another beautiful example which is portraying the same thing. Okay. See, in this project, we have 4 tasks, right? A, B, C, and
D.
D. Okay. So now tell me, what is the predecessor of A?
Part of the project.
Copy.
Predecessor of A is
part of project.
yes,
SOP.
SOP. Which is the predecessor of activity B?
A.
Yeah.
Which is the predecessor of activity C?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Which is the predecessor of activity D?
B.
B and
B
C.
and C.
B
Great
and C.
answer. Yes, 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 yes. This is a simple activity where the entire project is not in a single sequence. Are you getting my words?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, now we need to calculate these things. Early start, early finish of and late finish of the individual task. That is A, B, C, and D. Can you take this on your sheet? This project. Can you note it down?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, please. Please. Don't write those values in the sheet, only projects, so that you can calculate individually. Instead of this, I can go directly to the software, but you need to go know about this concept, how this critical path has been calculated in your Primavera and admin part. How many of you know AutoCAD here?
No, sir.
AutoCAD.
I know, sir.
I know, sir.
Hope all of you know. I know. Because you will be having in 5th semester, right? AutoCAD?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A small assignment for you guys. I want a beautiful plan, east facing 30 into 30 by 40 plan, a double bedroom house, a simple AutoCAD drawing with layers and all to be submitted by day after tomorrow from all of you guys. Can you do that? Can you?
Yes, sir.
Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
I'm not getting any response from you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dan?
And submit, sir.
Yes. Because you need to present that plan in your internship report. For that part, I am telling you guys. Okay. I know about the proficiency of yours in AutoCAD. Okay. Later, I'll give one plan for this session. Okay. You must submit that session, that drawing by the end of this internship program. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All of you note it down?
Yes, sir.
Murgesh ji,
Yes, sir.
have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Sumashri Shobita?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall we calculate the entities now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is the early start of activity A?
SOP.
What is the early start of activity A?
0 plus 1.
0
Yes.
plus 1.
Then what is the early finish of activity A?
0, 1 plus
Yes, 1
Plus
plus 5.
minus
1 plus 1.
plus minus 1, 4.
Minus 1.
6
4.
minus
1 plus 5 is equals to 6 minus 1 is equals to 5.
5.
Okay. You just have a thumb rule, that is this early start is starting on the first day of activity A and it will be ending on the 5th day of the project. That is, total duration of this activity is 5 days.
Friday.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Then what is the early start of B, activity B?
6. 6.
6 plus
6. That is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6.
6.
Then what is the early finish?
6 plus
6
5
plus
minus
5
1.
plus 1.
Plus
5
5
plus
plus
minus 1.
6 plus 5, that is 11 minus 1 is equal to 10.
Minus 1.
Okay. And now what is the predecessor of C, activity C?
A.
A.
A. Then okay. What is the early start of activity C?
5 plus 1, 6.
Yes, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then what is the early finish of activity C?
Plus
6
10.
plus 10 minus 1.
6 plus 10, that is equal to 16 minus 1 is equal to 15, right?
15.
Yes, got it. Then what will be the early start of activity D?
15 plus 1.
15 plus 1, 16.
Okay, fine. Now see, in this scenario, you have to take the maximum day of work. That is 15th day. The activity D can be started after activity C. That is 15th day of the project, right?
Okay.
In these two cases, comparing this B and C, 15th day is the maximum amount of time took by the activity C. That is, the activity C will be completed on the 15th day of the project. Then it must be considered for the next activity. That is 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Got it? Got it? You need to
Yes, sir.
consider the maximum value in the forward pass. This is the thing what we are doing, that is forward pass, right?
Yes, sir. Forward.
Okay. Then what is the early finish of activity D?
Early finish.
17 minus 10,
Where are you getting 17?
16,
Yes, 16 plus 10.
minus 10, minus 1.
Yes, yes,
Minus
yes. 16
1.
plus 10 is equals to 26, minus 1 is equals to 25, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
very great. We have completed this forward pass now. Then we will go for the backward pass. That is calculating this late finish and late start, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now what we are doing, we are just keeping the same values in late start and late finish as we did in the previous scenario. Can we do that?
Yes.
Okay. We are placing the same 25 in the place of late finish of activity D. Early start in the same place of late start, that is 16. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Now see, we need to calculate late finish of activity B. What is the late finish?
10 minus 1.
16 minus 1, that is 15.
15.
Got it? Then what is the late finish of activity C?
11.
Same. What I'm asking is late finish of activity C, that is 16 minus 1, that is equals to 15, right?
15.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, okay, okay. What is the late start of activity B?
15 minus 5 plus 1.
Yes, yes. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Then what is the
11.
late start of activity C?
10 minus 1.
15 minus 10.
Minus 10 plus 1.
Yes, 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6.
6.
Great. We have completed 75% of the project now. Now we are moving to activity A. See, now we need to calculate late finish of activity A. How?
6 minus 1, that's 5.
Yes. Why 6?
This.
We need to take the minimum value of the late start of the previous project in the backward pass. This is the thumb rule. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then 6 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, right?
5.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the late start of activity A? 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 plus 1.
Minus 0 plus 1.
Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
See, now we have two scenarios over here. We can calculate the float 25 minus 25 activity D. 25 minus 25 0.
0.
16 minus
16
16
minus 0.
0.
0, right? Here activity C 15 minus 15
0.
0.
0.
6 minus 6.
0.
Coming to activity B
Minus
15 minus 10
5.
5.
5.
5. 11 minus 6
5.
5. Here we got a float of 5 days. That is, we have a flexibility of 5 days to complete the task B.
B.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? This is called slack or
Sir.
float. Got it? Now
sir.
see, in activity A, 5 minus 5 0. 1 minus 1
0.
0.
0. Here we are not getting any float. Now, which is the path we are having 0 float? Which is the path we are having 0 float?
A, B, C.
Yes.
Which is the path that we are having zero float?
AC.
ACD is the path where we are having zero float. That is the critical path of this project.
Okay.
Got it? How to calculate the critical path?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now
Okay.
we are having two more practice sessions on this. That is, I am having two problems on this. What I'll do is I'll just share these two problems in WhatsApp group. You need to take the printout of these two practice sessions, and you have to calculate entire thing what we have practiced today. Okay. Also, what I'll do is I'll just share this recording on your WhatsApp so that you will be having a track on that what we have discussed today. Okay. I'll wind up this session today because I'm having the next session at 11:30 for different college. Shall we meet tomorrow at the same time?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Is this training session comfortable for you guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you are getting this entire content right? What is critical path and all?
Yes.
Okay. If you have any doubts, you can stop me at any instant. No need to worry. All of you guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shobita, Sumashri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Just I'll share these things in WhatsApp. So just go through that by tomorrow before the session. I want the entire project to be calculated. Okay, I'll be having two tasks. I'll share that. Okay, shall I end up the session?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.